So slow and steady wins the race, and we are on the verge of completion of exercise 3E. As I said, I'll not take more than about 15 minutes. So stay tuned. My dear, when you talk about a lamppost, okay, so this is your lamppost, for example. This is your lamppost, and they say that half of it is underwater, under mud, and 1/3 part is underwater. So they are asking you that what is the length of this part above the surface of water. A lamppost has half of its part in mud, and 1/3 of its length in water. Half of its length in mud and 1/3 of its length in water. So half of its length, do you know the length? I do not know the length. Therefore, I'll start my solution in this way. Let the length of the post, that is lamp post number 16 we have, write it beautifully. Let the length of the lamp post be 1 meter. For example, we have taken 1 meter. Now, length of the lamp post, so I will only write post in mud, is equal to 1 by half of its length. Half of this 1 meter is equal to 1 by 2 meter. Now, length of the post in water. So, in water is equal to 1 by 3 of 1 meter, which is equal to 1 by 3 meter. Therefore, we got two values, 1 by 2 in mud and 1 by 3 in water. So above water, length of post above water. Therefore, length of post above water is equal to, total was 1 minus 1 by 2 was in mud and 1 by 3 was in water. If you do not put this bracket over here, the entire calculation will change. Therefore, it is essential to put this bracket over here. No bracket means no marks at all. Here only you will get 0 over here. Okay. So now let's solve it. Is equal to 1 minus, let me take the LCM of 2 and 3 as 6. Now 2 3 times, therefore 3 2 times, so 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Therefore is equal to 1 minus 5 by 6. Now 1 minus 5 by 6. How do we write this? So we write 1 minus 5 by 6 in this form. 6 ones are 6 minus 5 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6 meter as your solution, which is length of the post above water. Now, what are they asking? They are asking you what fraction is above water. They are asking you the fraction Therefore, you cannot answer it in meter. Therefore, your final answer will be equal to 1 by 6 and not 1 by 6 meter. So this is your final solution. Okay. If 3 1 by 3 meter of post is above water, if 3 1 by 3 meter of post is above water, so let me do the second part also, isn't it? In number 2, 16, number 2 states that above water is 3 1 by 3 meter. So I am going to write length of post above water is equal to how much? 3 1 by 3 meter, or is equal to 10 by 3 meter when you change this into improper fraction. Therefore 1 by 6, isn't it, of total length will be equal to 10 by 3 meter, isn't it? Here when you see, look at it closely, you got 1 by 6th above water. This was above water. Above water was 1 by 6th. Now they say that if 3 1 by 3 meter of post is above water, find the whole length of post, means 1 by 6 part of total is equal to 3 1 by 3. Try to understand this. This means 1 by 6 part of total is equal to 10 by 3 meter. Therefore total length is equal to 10 by 3 divided by 1 by 6, because this 1 by 6 was in multiplication with total length. Therefore when I transposed it, it became divided by 1 by 6. So is equal to 10 by 3 multiplied by 6 by 1, that is 3 2 times, is equal to 20 meter as the total length of the lamp post, isn't it? Now let's come to number 17, and in number 17 what we have is 17. I spent 3 by 5 of my saving and still have 2000 left. Do you know your saving? How much your saving was? So you do not know your saving. So when you spend 3 by 5 of my saving, so I am going to take my saving as 1. In number 17 we have, let my savings be 1. Therefore part spent, I spent 3 by 5 of my saving. So part spent is equal to 3 by 5 of 1 is equal to 3 by 5. Now still have rupees 2000 left. So when you have spent 3 by 5 of the fraction, therefore part left will be equal to, what is your part left? 1 minus 3 by 5. Total minus 3 by 5 is equal to, how do we solve this? 5 1 times 5 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. So this is your part left after you had spent 3 by 5. Therefore now they say that and still have rupees 2000 left, means this 2 by 5 of total that is 1. This means 2 by 5 according to question, 2 by 5 of total is equal to rupees 2000, and you can see that this 2 by 5 is in multiplication with this total. Therefore, total amount is equal to rupees 2000 divided by 2 by 5, because we are transposing it. So beta 2000 multiplied by 5 by 2. Okay, now you can cancel here only. 2 1 times 2, 0 0 0 is equal to 5000 rupees, isn't it? So it's 5000. What is this 5000? It is the total amount. They are talking about the total amount. Find the total amount. So your total amount is rupees 5000. Okay, let's come to number 18. And in 18 we have, in a school 4 by 5 of the children are boys. Okay, 4 by 5 of the children. So it's very simple. 4 by 5, when 4 by 5 are boys, so naturally 1 by 5 will be girls, because total was 1. 1 means 5 by 5. 1 means 5 by 5. That is why we take 1. Now, total boys is equal to 4 by 5. So we are going to present. Though I have taught you how, but still we need presentation. When you go to a restaurant, the food is same. What matters is the presentation, which makes it tastier, isn't it? So if number 18, in 18, let the total children be 1. Therefore, number of boys is equal to 4 by 5 of total children is equal to 4 by 5. So you can say 4 by 5 children are number of boys. Therefore, number of girls is equal to total minus this boys is equal to how much? How do we solve this one? Now I hope you have understood. 5 1 times 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 by 5. So this 1 by 5 is the total fraction of girls. Now 1 by 5 is total fraction of girls. They say if the number of girls is 200, means they have already given you the value of the girls. This means out of total children, the number of girls is equal to 200. Means this 200 is equal to 1 by 5 of total number of children. So finally what we are going to do, I'll mention it, that 1 by 5 of total children is equal to 200. The 1 by 5 is in multiplication. Therefore, total children will be equal to 200 divided by 1 by 5, or 200 multiplied by 5 by 1. Therefore, is equal to 1000 as the total number of children. What are they asking? They are asking you find the number of boys. They are asking you the number of boys. So now when you have the total number of children and the total number of girls, therefore the number of boys will be equal to 1000 minus 200 is equal to 800. Let me mention this also. Okay, Therefore, number of boys is equal to 1000 minus 200 is equal to 800 as your final solution. Okay, let's switch over to number 19. And in 19, what we have is, if 4 by 5 of an state, when you talk about a property, you call it state. If 4 by 5 of an state is worth means value, the 4 by 5 of an state value is 4200 rupees, 4200. Find the worth of the whole state. This means they have already given you the value of the state. To 4, let this be, I am going to write the same thing as they have given. How? 4 by 5 of total state is equal to rupees 4200. Therefore, total state is equal to 42000 divided by 4 by 5, because we are transposing it onto the other side. It was in multiplication, so it changed into division form. Is equal to 42000 multiplied by 5 by 4. Now let's cancel it. Okay, now while you cancel it, observe it how I am going to cancel it. This is very important. 4 1 times 4, 4 1 times 4. Now since we are taking two digits, therefore I will have to put one 0 over here, and then I'll mention 4 5s are 20. Now you put more 2 zeros. So that is why when you take two digits at once, you have to put 1 0 over here. So when you multiply this 10500 into 5, you are going to get how much? The value will be 52500 rupees, 52500. So this was our first part. Also find 3 by 7 of it. So now when you know the value of the total state, can't you find 3 by 7 of it? Therefore, value of 3 by 7 of state is equal to 3 by 7 of how much? 52500. And when you cancel this, let me cancel it, 7500. Therefore 3 into 7500 is equal to rupees 22500, isn't it? 22,500 as the value of 3/7 part of the state. One last sum, which is number 20, and I think that this is easier than the previous one. After going 3 by 4 of my journey, do you know your journey? No, you do not know your journey. Okay, therefore I find that I have covered 16 kilometers. This means 3 by 4 of your journey is equal to 16 kilometers. Yes or no? Try to understand once again. I am going to read it. After going 3 by 4 of my journey, I find that I have covered 16 kilometers. This means 3 by 4 of your journey is equal to 16 kilometers. I am going to mention the same thing over here. Okay. Solution of number 20 is 3 by 4 of total journey is equal to 16 kilometers. Therefore, total journey is equal to 16 divided by 3 by 4. As we are doing it, we are transposing it. 16 multiplied by 4 by 3 is equal to 64 by 3 kilometer. This is your total journey. Total journey. What are they asking? How much journey is still left? They are asking left. How much is left? What was the total journey? Total journey was 64 by 3. Therefore, journey left is equal to the 64 by 3 total journey minus journey which he has already covered. This was the journey covered, isn't it? 16 kilometer was the journey covered. Therefore, let us now solve it. You people have become very clever by now. 364 minus 1 3 times, therefore 3 into 16 is equal to 48, is equal to 16 by 3 kilometer. When you convert this into improper fraction, mixed fraction, you will get 5 by 3 kilometers. I don't know what is the time, but as I said, I will not exceed 20. Therefore 20 is the last one till now, and therefore, my dear, thank you for studying.